Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new series on tech and engineering. Until now, I have uploaded videos on learning and understanding different types of concept. But in this series, we are not just going to learn, we are going to apply in real world. And this is one of the main motive of this channel, not only learning but applying by building in the real world. I have always been interested in understanding the system, how it works. And in this series, we are going to build one system, a robotic. This is my first time building a robotic hand prototype. I am not an expert yet in this field, but that is exactly the part of this series. We will learn by building, testing, failing, and getting help understanding from different types of resources like Google, AI, YouTube videos, documentation, and the real engineering thinking. As you can see on the screen, at first I thought to make a simple die robotic hand, but then I realized if I'm going to make a robotic hand prototype, so why not to let's make it from the scratch. Let's try to build how an actual robotic hand is built in the real world. So in this series, we are going to explore from 3D modeling, 3D design, SolidWorks to 3D printing, the manufacturing part. We will also learn the Arduino, sensor, links, and eventually the control system that will help our robotic arm to behave better. I have made a step-by-step plan on building the robotic hand prototype. And we are not going to directly jump towards making the prototype, but we will go from basic to learning and understanding links, joints, hands, and then slowly to a working prototype. And again, I'm not going to share just the successful part. I will also share the failure, the constraint, the uncertainty, the friction that I got while working on this prototype because that is what real building looks like. So, welcome to the journey where we will build our first robotic hand. Thank you.